YouTube is cracking down hard on faceless channels, and if you are not adapting, you are going to get left behind. You're going to become invisible. But here's the truth no one's telling you. You don't need to be on camera to win. You just need to be able to pivot at the right time with the right niche and with the right system. So today I'm breaking down 7 powerful YouTube niches that are still going to get monetized and scale fast and going to earn you some real revenue in 2025. And yeah, I'm bringing receipts, real channels with real numbers and real strategy because I'm the realist Reva. So let's go. If you're not repurposing your long form content into short form content, you are wasting time. You're leaving views on the table. I repurpose all of my long form content using a smart AI tool called Nexus Clips. Each time I make a long form video, Nexus Clips gives me 5 to 8 viral potential moments and it transforms them into viral potential clips that will get me more views. I'm able to use the facial recognition tool. I'm able to add captions on the screen, and I'm able to save time in my workflow. If you're interested in using the smart AI tool that is saving me time, I'll be leaving you a 10% discount code for you to try Nexus Clips down in the description. One of the first faceless niches that is exploding in 2025, and that is educational or explainer type channels. This niche is not new, but it is evolving. YouTube now favors original commentary and education together. This means explainers are back, but only if they're well structured. Here's a fire channel example for you. Wendover Productions. Wendover explains everything from air traffic logistics to global economics, earning over $1,000 per payday with zero FaceTime in front of the camera. And here's the formula that they use. Curiosity, research, and delivery. Don't just read Wikipedia. You need to tell a story. Like octopuses have 3 hearts. Cool. That's kind of boring. But if you connect it to a bigger narrative, then you're going to be winning. Use AI for scripting, Descript for voiceover, and then add some B-roll from story blocks or pixels. And if you want to try story blocks, I'll leave you a link down in the description. When you use tools like story blocks or pixels, you'll be amazed with what you can build without ever filming yourself or getting in front of the camera. Niche number 2 is tech and gadget reviews. This is my personal favorite because it's scalable and it's profitable. And you guys know I do like a little bit of tech, even though I'm a Gen Xer. Tech reviews, software tools, top 5 editing apps for creators. You've seen these videos. These are great in the faceless niche. A great channel example is Tech Zone. This channel gets millions of views from screen recordings and calm voiceovers, explaining tools like CapCut or ChatGPT or whatever the new smartphone is. This type of channel is repeatable. You can record your screen, you can script with clarity, and then you can also upload on a system. This is a systematizer's dream. Advertisers love this niche. The CPM, the cost per mil, it's very juicy, like $10 to $25 per 1,000 views. That is a very high CPM. So if you're looking to monetize and stay relevant, tech and technology is the wave that you should ride. Niche number 3. Finance, budgeting, and investing. I'll call this one the FBI. Forget about Wall Street vibes. This niche is for real people explaining real money with real language. And a good channel example for this is one of my favorites, Graham Stephan. Graham was able to build an empire explaining everything from index funds to real estate and how much he is making on YouTube. You don't need a CPA. You just need to be clear, curious, and you need to be consistent. Personal finance is one of YouTube's highest paying niches, with the CPMs going as high as $30. That's a whopper. All you need is a voice, a simple budget template, and a few relatable stories. This audience wants guidance. They don't want a bunch of jargon. Niche number 4, pop culture and commentary. Reaction videos, they're not dead, but they can be a little dangerous sometimes if you don't know how to do them properly. But thoughtful commentary types of videos, they get monetized and they sometimes go viral. A great example of one of these channels is called Looper. On their channel, they break down Marvel films, they explain the sequels and highlights, they give you all the Easter eggs that you might have missed. all through clever scripts and narration. You guys know I'm a Marvel fan, so this kind of channel really appeals to me. Another example is Screen Junkies. With their honest trailers, they transform pop content into comedic gold. Yes, comedy, funny. And let me tell you why this niche works. It works because you're adding value. Your voice equals your brand. So all you have to do is grab a mic, choose your favorite shows, and start sharing your take. Niche number 5, AI tools and software tutorials. Just like my other channel, The Realist Reva 2.0. Because we all know that AI is not a trend. It's an actual toolkit. It's a whole situation. You teach people how to use ChatGPT or Notions AI or Pictory, Leonardo AI, and they will subscribe as long as you're giving value and you're giving some kind of education. A great example of this type of channel is Howfinity. What they do on this channel is they add screen recordings plus the tutorials. And for them, this has equaled 1 million subscribers and $800 per day of income. Imagine that. Because it's educational, the CPMs are strong. They earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per video. And here's a bonus for you. Most of the AI tools, they come with an affiliate program. And because of that, the creator also gets a little kickback every time someone signs up for one of their products. So while you're teaching, you're stacking commissions. It's a smart way to earn even when you have a faceless channel. Niche number 6, health, fitness, and wellness. Now, you don't need a six-pack in order to win in this niche. And in the era of AI, you can just create yourself a six-pack. Blogilates. They started with simple floor workouts, and now they're $1 million brand. They create short yoga flows, breathwork routines, morning routines, good eating tips. All of this earns well because the niche is loyal and is evergreen. Even if you start a voiceover only and hire an instructor, this can be a very strong and future-proof lane for you in the faceless niche. You can create your digital avatars by using things like HeyGen or any other AI tools where you're able to create your digital avatars. And that channel can be your faceless gold mine. Niche number 7, again, one of my favorites. You know why? Because I'm a little nerdy and a little geeky, and I love myself a documentary. Many documentaries and biographies are taking off in the faceless niche. And this is the place where AI can really thrive and can be your friend in a creator space. This is where AI creators will thrive in 2025. When you use ChatGPT for research and then you add your visuals from Runway or Pexels in order to tell your story and make it rich, that's when your faceless channel starts to take life. Let me give you a real world example of this channel. Ryan's Pictures. This channel takes deep dives on famous people, unknown tech, and even conspiracy topics. And viewers, they end up binge watching for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and even 30 minutes. They have a high retention and a unique storytelling style. And this is how you can create your own faceless channel just like them. Use a good voiceover, add some pacing, and treat each video like it's a Netflix short, one building off of the other. All right, before I go today, I want to ask you a question. Which of these niches do you think is the hardest to start? Let me know down in the comments. If you have a faceless channel or you're thriving on YouTube, I want you to leave me a comment below and let me know what your channel name is so that us in the Revealer community can check things out. And if you're a little afraid about growing a faceless channel, don't be afraid. If you want to connect and you want to grow and you want to know how to do this faceless thing on YouTube, I want you to consider booking a one-on-one call with me and we can work on your faceless channel. If you're ready to stop guessing if you should start a YouTube channel, whether it should be faceless or should you get in front of the camera before you start building, I want to share with you that I'm your partner, and we in the Revealer community, we are your co-partners. We're here to go with you, and we're here to grow with you and support you all along the way. If you want to continue to grow with me in my community, you can catch me over on the school community. I'll leave that information down in the description so that we can grow together. Over there, you're going to get weekly calls, you're going to get systems, you're going to get prompts, you're going to get the support that you need in a group setting, just like if you were going to school. If you like the content that you've seen today, I want you to consider hitting the subscribe button, because in 2025, the algorithm, it may not care about you, but your future audience, they're waiting for you. They're waiting on you to start. And my question to you is, why haven't you started yet? I want you to consider watching this video next. And if you want to continue to grow on your YouTube journey, I want you to check this playlist out next so that you can grow on YouTube. See you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.